You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this mythological character. If you want to learn more confusing Gaelic names, more generally from Irish mythology or Gaelic mythology, make sure to stay tuned. We've got all of them coming up at the end of the video. Emer. Yes, it's pretty straightforward once you know Emer. Emer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.